Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert bullet point in Excel. So guys, it's very easy to insert it. So firstly you need to insert like first is equal to sign, just type here is equal to, now CHAR, now bracket, press shift plus 9 key to insert bracket or type bracket. Now 149 and close the bracket and press enter key. So you see here this bullet is very easily typed. So you can this way you can very easily type it. So thanks for watching this video.